Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's pick some cards and see what we get and go from there. Seven of Wands. Do you feel like you are being backed into a corner? "4545. Exploration. I am open to life's adventures. I explore new possibilities with curiosity and excitement. Every experience enriches my life and brings me closer to my true potential." And what toad or frog message do we have today? I don't need to have a positive attitude all the time. That's a good reminder. And the last card before we go to our quotes. Insight. Insight is the fruit of wisdom. Keep a learning attitude. Yes, yes. Let's pick this little quote box today. Oop. It's your healing from your pain that makes you beautiful. Deep within you, there's a knowing that you're here for a great purpose. Allow your intuition to guide you as you take new steps to uncover it. Your body is a system. Listen to the signs. The toxicity you saw is who they are. Remember that when they play nice. And the last one today. The fragrance always stays in the hand that gives a rose. What do I have to give today? All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.